There comes a moment in every life when the noise fades and the soul begins to whisper, "Do you remember who you are?" We spend our days chasing names, goals, money, validation, but somewhere along the way, we forget the one truth that matters most. We were already enough before the world told us we weren't. You are not what you do. You are not your failures, your doubts, or the mistakes you've made. You are the awareness behind it all, the silent observer that never breaks. Gentle pause, there's a power inside you, one that's been waiting quietly, patiently, for you to return. It's the light that never went out, even when everything around you seemed dark. It's the voice that says, "I am still here, remember." Every storm that tried to drown you was secretly teaching you how to breathe underwater. Every ending you feared was preparing you for a new beginning. Music rises softly. You don't have to become someone new. You only have to remember who you've always been. A soul full of purpose, a mind capable of miracles, a heart strong enough to rise again and again. So take a deep breath and come home to yourself. Awaken, remember, rise. Mindset Factory TV.